An FIR has been registered against unknown persons for alleged sabotage leading to the derailment of 20 coaches of the Sabarmati Express between Govindpuri station and Bhimsen in Kanpur, police said on Monday. The incident occurred early on Saturday after the train's engine hit an object placed on the track, rail officials said. There was no report of any loss of life or injury in the incident. Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police, West, Vijendra Dwivedi said, the FIR was lodged on Saturday. According to it, a piece of an old rail line measuring 0.93 meters was found between the up and down lines and showed signs of recent heating that led to the derailment of 20 coaches. The FIR was lodged at the Panki police station under Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita's Section 125, Act Endangering Life or Personal Safety of Others, and under the Railways Act, 1989, based on a complaint by the Railways Senior Section Engineer Mahendra Pratap Singh. Police Commissioner Akhil Kumar has formed a Special Investigation Team, SIT, headed by Deputy Commissioner of Police, West, Rajesh Kumar Singh to probe the incident. It has been alleged in the FIR that loco pilot AP Bundela witnessed a heavy object on the tracks on the up lines between Govindpuri and Bhimsen station at 2:27 am on Saturday that prompted him and the assistant loco pilot to apply emergency brakes. Despite making all efforts, the cattle guard in front of the engine hit the object, leading to the derailment of 20 coaches of the Sabarmati Express, the FIR stated. The train was headed to Gujarat from Varanasi. It has been claimed by the railways in the FIR that the piece of rail was placed deliberately on the tracks. Forensic experts from and the railways technical team have seized the rail piece mentioned in the FIR, the Kanpur police chief told PTI. According to police sources, Intelligence Bureau, IB, Railway Protection Force, RPF, and Anti-Terrorist Squad, ATS, are investigating the derailment. In a post on X on Saturday, Railway Minister Ashwani Vaishnaw said, the engine of Sabarmati Express, Varanasi to Ahmedabad, hit an object on the track and derailed near Kanpur at 2:35 am. Sharp hit marks are observed. Evidence is protected. IB and UP police are also working on it. No injuries to passengers or staff. Train arranged for passengers for onward journey to Ahmedabad, he had said.